Welcome to our exploration of digital twins. This series will uncover 5 levels of digital twins, each offering unique insights and capabilities. Let's start with Level 1, the Descriptive Twin. The Descriptive Twin is a precise digital replica of a physical asset. It serves as an interactive 3D model that accurately reflects its real-world counterpart. This level is primarily static, functioning as a foundational reference without linked real-time data. For instance, consider this architectural model of an office building. While it captures every detail, from materials to structural elements, it does not yet incorporate live data from sensors or operational metrics. This makes it an essential starting point for further development into more advanced digital twins. By establishing an accurate representation through the descriptive twin, we set the stage for deeper insights in subsequent levels. Join us next time as we explore Level 2.